This is a tactical flashlight from SAMLITE. So fully aluminum, has a gilded edge. Twist out the cap to install the batteries that they provide. Even shows the arrow of which way you stick it in after you put your batteries in. So the cool thing is the cap here actually glows in the dark. Okay, so let's turn this on. All right. 75 lumens will run about 4.5 hours. Ooh, look at that. Green light, 12 lumens, will run about 16 hours. This is what you probably use at night. A lot of people like red lights. I think green is a great color choice. It's just easier on eyes for me. This is the blue light. Black light, I mean. UV black light. Also comes with a red laser pointer. So if you're out in the wilderness and you need to point at something, then this is a nice, useful tool to have. And it's the flashing green, what you probably use for emergencies or something if you're trying to signal someone. And then that's it, off. So this is all aluminum, so it won't corrode. It's pretty much waterproof, windproof. And I love this gilded edge here. It only weighs 4.8 ounces, excluding the batteries. It's about 4.5 inches long, 1.5 inches right here.